Well, happy Wednesday. It's Watershed Wednesday, and we're checking the lake levels here on 3 News First Edition. Lake Corpus Christi hasn't budged much. In fact, it's at 43%, and combined levels still below 40, which right now, in fact, is at 35.3%, which is still indicating water restrictions. We need the rain, and great news each and every day going forward. We have very small rain chances, and we'll break down the best rain chance in the forecast coming up in just a bit. Right now, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the 70s, southeast winds at 18 miles an hour, humidity is high, and temperatures across the area are just not as cool as that they should be this time of year. We should be in the 60s. Right now we're in the 70s and near 80 in some locations like Robstown, Mathis, Beeville. Again, 70s as you wake up this morning. A nice breeze out there kicking up the moisture in the air as well. Some low-level clouds. A nice breeze out there at 16 miles an hour. Here in the city, 10 over in Rockport, near 20 over in Flower Bluff, and 12 in Mathis, 14 over in Orange Grove. So nice breeze is hindering any fog, so this should not be a bother this morning. Mostly clear at the surface and partly cloudy aloft in the atmosphere. So here's satellite and radar. Radar, not a big problem. In fact, most of the rain is way to our north, and we're far removed from any lift in the atmosphere to get any rain going, unfortunately. But you'll see on satellite a few breaks in the sky here and there. For example, Alice, Kingsville, Falfurrias, Hebbronville, Freer, near George West and Live Oak County as well. So this leads me to say that we'll see some sunshine as we start the day today, but still by and large mostly cloudy. So now we are watching the watches and warnings in effect right now. So we have a wind advisory in addition to a coastal flood advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. What does this mean? Well, with high tide around 7 and 7:30, mixing in with those windy southeast winds, this may lead to some coastal flooding on the island and near Flower Bluff as well. So with high tide, we may see some water reaching the dunes, some dangerous driving locations and spots. So please be careful if you're heading to the beach because, yes, we'll see some minor coastal flooding as well. Otherwise, a nice day, just windy, right? Mostly cloudy, wind speeds 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusts up to 35. Temperatures will top out in the lower to middle 80s, and today will probably be the windiest day out of the next 7. In fact, look at this wind gust upwards of 35 miles an hour. Things relax by Thursday, Friday, and later on this weekend, but we trade off the wind speeds for rain chances. So today, maybe a stray sprinkle here and there. Can't rule that out. Thursday, Friday, and this early part of the weekend, even for buck days, which unfortunately we're talking at least some rain chance in the forecast for Corpus Christi. Now for today, most of the severe weather will be out near West Texas and pretty much anywhere west of I-35, west of Austin. That's where a lot of the storms are erupting right now. In fact, you can see right here some of these red reflectivities on radar from San Angelo into Dallas and Fort Worth into Oklahoma as well, all being sparked off by this upper level trough that's out west, and this is the reason we're talking rain chances for the next couple days. So let's walk you through it. Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, watch what happens. The Texas Hill Country and near San Antonio is looking at the potential for some severe storms west of I-35. Tonight and tomorrow morning, yes, a stray shower possible for Corpus Christi, but it looks like Friday night into early this weekend is our best chance as it approaches in from the west, and we could see a few isolated downpours here and there, of which could amount to about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. But you'll see where the swath of rainfall is the heaviest near San Antonio, San Angelo, Kerrville, and Fredericksburg, northwest of Bexar County. Okay, 7-day forecast today, not too bad, just windy. Notice the wind speeds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow, isolated showers with a mixture of sun and clouds. And Friday and this early part of the weekend, unfortunately, we're talking the chance at a few isolated storms, but right now they're going to say isolated, and things clear up by Sunday with mostly clear skies and temperatures in the middle to upper 80s. Barbie.